Hey guys, it's back with JohnyTechReview and hope you guys are all doing well. So I've been using a few Govee products before, mainly the light strips and some of the light bulb they have. Recently they reached out to me and asked me to try this new product. This will be coming to the market soon. So this is a quickly kind of overview of this product and give you an idea of what it is. I will also unbox it and kind of show you guys some of the operation and see how it works. So this product here is called the Govee Lyra floor lamp. And here you can see in the picture, so this LED light bar here, you're supposed to face it against the wall or the corner of the room and kind of bounce light off of that. Here it say that it works with some smart device like the Govee app. It works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So for me, I use HomeBridge to convert some of these devices into HomeKit device. So I'll see if that will also work. But here's some of the features that they talk about is smart voice control, colorful lighting. I guess this is kind of like RGB. It's dimmable. Has a remote control built-in, has music sync, so that's good to know. And it has multiple scene modes, you can do 50 scene mode. And if you use a Govee product before, I have other video on the strip line, I can link that to you and you can kind of see. The Govee app is okay for me, but it does have some pretty nice light sync and do music sync, that kind of thing. It works pretty well. So I will unbox it, give it a try and give you guys my first impression on it. Hey guys, so just want to give you an idea of what this light look like. Right now I have the overhead light on in my room. There's no other light on, so it's a little bit dim. I have the camera setting pretty low, so to give you an idea, I'm gonna turn it on using this controller here, and I'm gonna power it on. And when you power it on, it's gonna go to the last setting that you have. So for me, that was a scene setting that I set up within the app. So on the remote control itself is actually magnetic. It will stick to the light. There's a little holder on the light. So here you can see I'm going to use the power button. I'm going to press power off here just to show you. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and change the different light settings. So there's color you can change. And you can go to different solid color as you can see right now. And I'm going to go ahead and go white, super white, and it's more like amber white. I can also go very blue white, you can see. I know my camera's adjusting, but here we're gonna go to color and we can have different color here, and then we can go dim, and there's 5 dim levels. So on the low it's really dim, and on the bright it's pretty bright. On the remote control there is also a button for sound activated. When you click on it once, it will change to different modes. So this is the spectrum. So I am about 10 feet away from the light to give you an idea of the microphone pickup that's in the base of that guy. Actually it's in the controller, not the base. I'm going to change it to another mode. This is a lighting change color mode. Hello, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's pretty good and pretty sensitive. I'm going to go to this mode, which is kind of like a drop down bar, like a spectrum, but it's a little bit different. Then there's this one here, which is like a bar that bounces up and down. I really like this one, especially with music. It's really cool. And then we have this one bouncing up and down, kind of like 2 little lightsaber hitting each other, as you can see. And then we can go back to the first mode that I was using. So it's just a strobe light. Hello, and back to that first mode. So there's about 6 modes in here if I remember correctly. What's really cool by this light is that using the Govee app, you have a lot more control. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that right now. All right, here we go. I'm launching the app. So here's the app. I actually have a few other devices. But I'm gonna go ahead and select the Lyra floor lamp that I set up. So setup was pretty simple. You just kind of let Bluetooth pick it up, and then after you have it pick up, you can change it to Wi-Fi by entering Wi-Fi information from your home. It only uses 2.4 gigahertz, so keep that in mind. So here you have a lot of different options on your screen. For example, if we go to music, we'll go back to those mode at the bottom here, and here you can change some intensity, and you can change whether it's dynamic or a little bit more calm. You can also change it to use the light strip or the microphone from the phone or device, whatever device you're using. And of course you have brightness control right here. We can dim it a little bit. But anyway, let me go ahead and go to color. Color is where it's really interesting. So here is an option that you can do. So here within this option you can actually change and have different color scheme. So first I'm going to select the segment. We can turn on the light. Select the next one, change that one, separate, and you can see there in the background is changing on the fly, as you can see. I don't use this as much, but if you want to, you could. What I like is the viewing scene has a lot of different options. Again, this was the one that you saw earlier when it first came on. It's called the ripple. We can go to sunrise. You can see here, really cool. Another one I really like is just media. My kid really liked this one. So you can kind of see it drop it in the bottom. Aura. Give you an idea right now, and up top you have different types of nature. We can go to live, and then here is firework. My kid also likes this one a lot. Pan the camera up just a little bit to see the top. There you go. We can do romantic, for example, pretty bright pink, and then it's changing color to red, slowly between the 2 or 3 color there. We can go to emotion, some other option here, gradient, really nice. Energetic, just another one that changed different color. And then on the festival you have Halloween and you have Christmas. Just give you an idea, like a Christmas tree. And then on the funny you have a few other cool options like strike. So there's 2 bouncing bar that's hitting each other. There's also a bouncing ball, that's very interesting. You can see. And then there's a greedy snake that kind of eats the thing at the top, and you can see it moving up and down. There's also bubble rising to the top, and then this crossing, which is really cool. So yeah, there's a lot of different options here. Of course you can go to do it yourself at your own little shortcut and do your own setting. So my first impression of this, pretty nice little light stack. What I found is that right here it's standing on the base, on the carpet. It does wobble a little bit, so it's designed for really to point toward the wall, not toward you. The installation process took me probably around 10 minutes with me filming it and stuff. It's pretty easy. The challenging part at the end is putting the light strip on. I recommend putting the top and the bottom part first, and then kind of push together in the middle. Using Wi-Fi, it has a pretty good range. So of course I'm pretty near my router up here, so it's hard to tell, but when I'm downstairs I'm much farther away from my router and it looks pretty good. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing and overview of this Lyra floor lamp. Govee has a few different products, and I mostly use the light strip. In the future I'm hoping to check out some of the other devices, but so far I'm using the light strip and use floor lamp, and together you can sync the music and it works pretty well. The light itself is pretty bright so far. Over the past week and a half of using it, so works pretty well. In the long run, if there's any issues, I'll let you guys know, but please let me know if you have any question in the comment box down below. If you guys find this video useful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more future content. Thanks.